Okay, today we're doing one of the most classic LeetCode problem of all time. This problem is called toSum. Okay, so given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so let's have a look at example 1. So the inputs, right? We have an array of numbers, integers, 2, 7, 11, 15. And we are trying to see if we can find two numbers within the nums array that add up to the target of number 9. And in this example, it would be 2 and 7. 2 plus 7 equals 9. And in this example, it is in the index of 1 and index of 2. So 2 plus 4 equals the target 6. And on this one is 0 and 1 because 3 plus 3 equals to the target of 6. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. So if you know about the dictionary data structure, then this problem wouldn't be too difficult. Otherwise, you might try to use a brute force approach where you traverse through the three numbers, the nums array with a double loop. Okay, so let's go ahead and code up the solution. So essentially what you need to do is to keep track of the indices as you traverse. Okay, so you keep track of the indices as you traverse, and then you constantly just look for existing keys, right? Keys that are complement to the current element, where if you add them up together, they equal to the target. So you will constantly iterate through nums and be looking for that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright. Okay, for none and nums. To keep track of the index. Okay. For the complement, essentially it's the target minus the num. Right, this gives us the complement. We check if the complement is inside of the dictionary. Right. If it is, we return the complement index. And the current index. We want it to be in the format of an array. Okay. And afterward, if we can't find it, we'll just make a note that we have found a number, iterated through a number, and its index is at I. Okay, this is to return something here at the end. You can return -1 and -1, but if we look at the constraint, it does say that you can assume that the input will have exactly one solution. So based on reading this, I guess this part should never even run. Alright. Okay, and yeah, there you have it. toSum in Swift.